I have hiccups, but I also have an ice pop, which I already ate. But it's okay because I just got hiccups just right now. I'm not lying. Can ice pops take away your hiccups? Let's find out because ice pops, they're ice, and ice is frozen water, and water takes away hiccups. So let's see if this is gonna work. Guys, I never tried this before. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Alright, let's see. It should take about 12 seconds for them to come up. Guys, I actually have never tried this before. It's gonna work. Subscribe if it's gonna work. Because I actually did have hiccups. I'm not lying, guys. I don't think I have hiccups anymore. Let me just wait 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess I don't have any hiccups anymore, so I think I'm here for it. We should try it out if you don't have any more. See you guys in the next one. Peace.